A real hero image that loads late genuinely delays LCP. Let's measure the exact real difference fixing it makes on this real page. LCP, largest contentful paint, is a real core web vital measuring how long the single biggest visible element on screen, usually a hero image or large headline, took to finish rendering. Google's real threshold, under 2.5 seconds is good, over 4 seconds is genuinely poor. It's one of the most common real scores that drags down an entire Lighthouse report. The browser genuinely watches every paint on the page and keeps track of whichever visible element is currently the biggest, usually a hero image, sometimes a large block of text or a big heading, whichever wins out. This real slot starts genuinely empty. Nothing here yet counts as anything for LCP because there's literally no content in it for the browser to measure, no matter how big the empty box itself looks. This real script genuinely waits half a second before injecting the actual hero image. Until that timeout fires, the browser's real HTML parser has no idea this image is coming at all, however fast the image itself would load. The actual browser can't paint what it doesn't know exists yet. Its real preloader scans the initial HTML the instant it arrives, and a JS-injected image is genuinely invisible to that early scan, no matter how small the file is. Put the actual image directly in the real initial HTML instead of injecting it later. A plain in tag the browser's preloader can discover immediately, before any JavaScript on the page even runs at all. This real preload hint goes one step further, genuinely telling the browser to start fetching the hero image at the very top of the page, even before the parser reaches the actual in tag itself further down. Same real photo, same real file size, same real visual result. The only genuine change is when the browser was allowed to discover it, and that's the entire real difference LCP is designed to catch and reward. In real, production Lighthouse audits across the web, a late discovered hero image is consistently one of the single most common causes of a poor LCP score and one of the cheapest real fixes to actually ship. Open your own Real Sites DevTools Network tab and look for your hero image. Does it start downloading in the first few real requests, or does it show up late, after a script has already run somewhere? The real Lighthouse report doesn't just give you a number, it genuinely highlights the exact DOM element it measured, so you never have to guess which image or heading is actually driving the score. An image set via CSS background image is genuinely invisible to the browser's real preloader in the same way it's only discovered once the stylesheet applying it is passed and matched. For a real image you know is the LCP candidate, this attribute genuinely tells the browser to prioritize its download above other same priority resources competing for real bandwidth. Even a perfectly discoverable image can't paint until its real bytes actually arrive. A slow origin server or missing CDN can genuinely dominate LCP even after every other fix here is applied. Next, FCP, the real metric for when anything paints at all.